They can't stop it. They can't stop it. They tried taking me out. They tried taking me out and they couldn't do it. I'm still sending winning setups. I'm still making bank in the markets. I'm still feeding the gang. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what illness they throw my way. You know, I could have a fever, cold, doesn't fucking matter because we're still printing. Let's go. They can't take me out. That's what it is. We're going to go over a few of the recent trades that I took. And of course, I call this in advance inside of the Pro Discord. So click the first link in the description below. As you can see, I'm posting all of these trade setups in advance, right, with explanation and just for some user results so you guys know that I'm not capping, okay? Everyone took big time, and we are printing. Damn, shout out Jordan. Shout out Jordan, man, for taking it, okay? Five bands profit. Cashed, okay? Cashed. Rouse took it as well. You guys are awesome. Let's go. Okay, let's jump into the charts here, though. Why I took this big time long trade, and I'll also go over a Bitcoin scalp long that I took in the live voice chat last night. So normally I don't like to long after a sweep of these highs, after a swing failure. So anytime you see this formation where you have one high and then you have another high that kind of like wicks through this high and falls back down, I don't normally like to long. I like to look for shorts after this. But in this particular setup, there was so much confluence telling me to long here that it didn't make sense not to take the long. We had the local golden pocket fib from this swing low to this swing high. You guys know I love the golden pocket fib. This is like my favorite trading confluence, especially in trending markets, you know, making higher highs and higher lows. Very key level. This is also a key horizontal level, a key support level, right? Lots of price history here. We had price acting as support, resistance, support. So we're looking to flip this level back into support by retesting this high. We also had this bullish trend line confirmation, one tap, two tap. So this kind of acts as like a barrier, right? Another level of support. And let's see any other confluences. If we go down to a lower time frame, we had this bullish fair value gap, right? One candle, two candle, three candle with that bullish fair value gap. And we had that bullish order block here, which is where price tapped into with the oscillator showing the oversold for the entry confirmation. We also took this one on live, and this trade played out amazing. Everyone got in this, and we caused the displacement, guys. We literally caused this move. So shout out to everyone who took this. First TP was hit here at the local GP from this swing high to this swing low. GP, for those of you that don't know, is the golden pocket fib, right? So from this swing high here to this swing low, this is going to be your local golden pocket. So that's my first TP. Stops are now at break even. This trade is now running risk-free. I'll look to take my second take profit at this high, and then I'll leave the rest to run to potentially, 25 cents is going to be my target, guys. Big time is looking really, really strong. Looking very strong. So that was the big time trade. And I don't know if I've lost a trade in like months, guys. Like I cannot remember the last time I lost a trade inside the Pro Discord. If you guys remember, let me know. I don't remember. It's been too long, So there's going to be a loss coming. It's not all wins, guys. But so let us look at BTC now. So this was the scalp long that we took last night on live. This was the level that we were looking at. We had an inversion fair value gap. If you don't know what an inversion fair value gap is, I've made videos on this in the past, but it's just an entry model. Oscillator oversold, reclaimed the Monday range lows, boom, entered the trade, and took all my profit at like a 1 to 2. So I think I closed it around here before I went to bed. Yeah, so around a 1 to 2.5. Actually, no, stop loss was like right here. So yeah, around a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So again, you put in 1,000, you make 2,000. That's the way that I like to trade. I like to trade high risk to reward. I don't do partials as much anymore. I really go for those big 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk to reward trades because you can lose 3 trades in a row and all you need is one win to make that back and more. So yeah, that was a beautiful BTC scalp long. And in fact, I'm still looking at this level here because we're seeing some bullish consolidation. We never tapped into that local golden pocket. If we zoom in here, we can see that we almost tapped it, but we didn't quite tap it. So there's still a liquidity pool here, and we are seeing some bullish divergences here on the 1 hour time frame as well. So, this is a setup I'm still looking at. Sweep these lows one more time into our golden pocket, and then we can see a bounce up still with those bullish divergences there on the easy oscillator. So that is it for the most recent trades that I took. Again, if you guys want access to these signals, setups, analysis in real time, click the first link in the description below. Everyone in there is crushing. I mean, you guys are seeing results. I'm posting videos now on YouTube every day. So if you want access, click the first link in the description below. Along with getting access to my analysis and setups, you will get access to the Easy Algo Indicator bundle, including the Easy Oscillator here. So you get a lot of stuff in the pro group. So if you're not in, you gotta hate money at this point. That's it. That's the only reason you wouldn't be in. But that is it for me, and I will see you guys next video.